Hi guys and gals, this is Sergio from Smart LED, and today is an exciting day. I'm here off Melrose Avenue, and today we're installing a brand new cutting-edge 6mm Smart LED tempered glass system. Let me talk to you about two things, the project and then the product. The client wanted is on their second floor, they wanted to have an advertising system for their multimedia company without losing visibility. Now let's talk about the product. The product is Smart LED's flagship glass system. It's a fully tempered, dual-laminated LED system with micro wires. Now, what this means is that everybody out here on Melrose in the city of Los Angeles is going to be able to see this beautiful LED system, but from the inside of the client's conference room, it's going to retain 95% of the visibility. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys what this Smart LED glass is all about. So here we are at the scene of the action. This is the client's second floor conference room. So we have a section here. It's gonna be about 14 feet by 11.5. And then there's another section here, which is gonna be like about 11 foot high by 6 foot. So when you see the whole wraparound, it's a total size of 11 by 20 foot. Another quick thing I want to tell you is that everything in this building is custom. You can see it's a custom soffit, custom everything. So we had to create a custom mounting bracket system made out of aluminum for the bottom and for the top so that our Smart LED FX6 tempered glass panels can sit on top of that and get mounted on top of that. So let's go ahead and see more of the process. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of the Smart LED glass install, and today the main things that we're gonna do is we're gonna be putting the glass sheets in. Each glass is about 11 feet high by 3 feet wide, and the glass sheets have to be professionally installed into the bracketing system to make sure that everything is level and that everything's legit. So once we finish that, then we have to do the cabling, which is all the AC power cabling and all the data cabling from both the bottom power strip and the top power strip. Once everything is connected with the data line and the AC lines, then the whole Smart LED glass will light up. So it's gonna be able to show advertisements, videos, digital art. That's basically what's going on during day 2. The installation of the glass sheets, bolting and securing them, and then doing the power connections and the data connections. So go ahead and follow through with us and watch how this all unfolds. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the third final day of installation, and everything is pretty much buttoned up. And now I want to show you guys how we use the Smart LED cloud system to basically load the customer's content onto the Smart LED glass screen. So I'm going to go to Media tab right here, click on Upload, select the customer's videos here, and this one. So I'll click Upload on these 3. I'm going to do a quick preview. And you can see that it's giving me the preview of how it's going to show up. I'll go back on the preview and I'll click Apply. And then as you can see, it's already gone through the cloud and it's already showing on the Smart LED glass. That's a full motion video with all the customer's graphics. And you can see in the span of a couple of minutes, we've loaded the customer's content onto the Smart LED glass. This is it, the end of day 3. The Smart LED 6mm glass system is already installed. And I guess Los Angeles is a little bit brighter, a little bit more futuristic thanks to this Smart LED project. And projects like these is the reason why here at Smart LED, we say we're the future of advertising. Thanks for watching.